This stuff here, they got tape on here, they got holidays.
This has been painted once.
I know, but this stuff should all be addressed before they paint it.
This will be addressed.
What's up, buddy? We put this orange on all the doors so we don't accidentally walk in somebody's unit.
See that they're just
okay.
based on what you asked us.
How many did we have come yesterday?
4.
So we got 14 new total?
Yeah.
Okay. Then this here?
Yep.
Check and see where we're at on the
those are all the baseboard covers, end caps will all be ready Monday.
Okay. And it's just stuff like that. Just get down and punch out. Up there too.
Yeah, well,
we got a water leak in here somewhere.
Yep. This might be the one that the toilet.
I said when you're putting in windows, you want to make sure you got insulation all the way around them, that you're not having leakage. This guy uses blow foam, but you got to be careful using blow foam because it'll sometimes push the window out. So a lot of times they just stuff back insulation, but you want to use a really good caulk. You want to use something like a Nova Flex, 100% liquid silicone on these windows, and make sure your window guys get the stickers off, because if not, you're gonna have a bunch of you're gonna have to get them back in every unit. Yeah, if we could clean this up here too, TJ.
I saw it.
Okay. So you just was bad, man. Did you guys do this already?
No, they haven't done. Well, maybe.
I mean, it's paint here.
Yeah, that's paint.
Yeah, that right there. Man, before they paint this, they need to just take a sanding pole and a screen and screen the wall.
Sand and screen.
It would save them a lot of time, because we come through.
I tried to tell them just to skim it.
Now you don't want to skim it. You come through with a sanding pole, sand all this down, because when we come through to do the punch out, it's going to take them a lot of time, man. If they just did a little prep work up front.
That's the whole thing on paint jobs, prep work.
Yeah, that's it. And paint's easy. Well, man, I would just get on these guys about this paint, brother, because it's going to be hell. The punch out is. It's going to be hell on. We're using this just kind of as an overflow.
Kind of, just so we're not constantly walking around everything all the time.
So anywhere we got a box where somebody put a box, they probably jumped to do, are these hardwired?
No.
They're not? I don't know why they did that. Are this a new one we put up?
I think so. Yeah, because I told them to move them.
Okay, so you're sure this isn't hardwired?
99% sure. Yeah,
okay.
Positive.
That's the wrong spot right there.
I know. That's why I told them to move them.
This one is too. These both need to be within 12 inches.
Yeah, I told him.
Oh, okay, cool.
He knows.
All right.
I told him to move it over here.
Yep. No, within 12 inches, brother.
Yeah, that's about 12 inches.
Well, put it, tell them within 8 inches.
Okay.
That way they're gonna, if they're 13 inches, it's, not total, so. Just tell them you want it up against the wall, about 3 inches away from the wall.
Okay.
Because what you want is you want the smoke to roll in, come straight up and hit that thing. Yep. If it's over here, it's gonna barrel and it's gonna, so. Then this here, let's make sure they're not painting these like that.
I got new covers for them.
I know, but this whole outlet's covered. See, that's got paint in the whole outlet.
Oh yeah, that can't happen.
Yeah, so. And I don't want to have to replace them because that's aluminum.
Yep.
And they have to get an aluminum outlet for that, and they're expensive. Here, like this stuff here, they got tape on here, they got holidays.
This has been painted once.
I know, but this stuff should all be addressed before they paint it.
This will be addressed.
Okay, and then look, like right here, there's a piece of tape. Like, they just need to make sure they go through. And then so they're going to come back through and they're going to repaint, retouch it up?
Yes.
Okay.
None of them are completely painted, or
you know what this
where I would say they
for?
were done. I don't.
Okay.
Probably maybe an intercom at
Probably
some
a piece
point.
of electric or something. Yeah, it could be an intercom. All right, we'll keep that there in case we want to replace. I'm going to put a nice intercom system on here. Hey guys, so we start 2 weeks over here. We got the demo done. We got the AC units put in. My partner Matt's been working with the window guy. Got the windows getting completed out. We'll be painting outside of this building here. Probably in another week or two. We got some nice colors for that. All the vanities are in. All these smoke detectors, these are the wrong location. He's gonna have them remounted. A lot of the paint, we just got touch up. They gotta come through here. Some of them look good, but some of them, whenever you're painting your walls, you wanna always come and sand your walls first with a screen. Just screen it out real good. It knocks off all the boogers, gives you a nice clean palette, and it's gonna look good, especially we're using eggshell paint so that it can wipe down. If you really wanna hide something, you can use flat, but we don't like doing that, especially for rental properties. Because you do this, it gets dirt and it doesn't wipe up, doesn't clean up. So we're gonna have these done. We got 23 of them we're working on in here. We'll have these done by the end of the month. We started, what, about the beginning?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. And TJ was kind of, you know, off last week. He had some issues with his, was it dental issues? Yeah. I think his wife hit him in the mouth, but he didn't want to tell me that. So, you know, he's made something up, talking about my you know, guys don't like to come in when they got black eyes, man. And then they start putting the makeup on to hide it. I know. Ask me how I know. That's why I ain't with her no more. No. So we got a little bit of stuff to do in here. I mean, can we hit our deadline? We can hit our deadline, but we're gonna have to just push. I mean, it's plumbing. Really, we need all plumbing next week. We need all the countertops in. And we need this paint done, and we can definitely hit it. So TJ, I'm gonna go over, put this schedule together with you. I know you've got enough guys, we can push them, but we have to have a clear path to victory. We gotta know exactly what we're hitting every day. That's why I'm coming through these units. I know exactly what needs to be done. So does TJ. So, I mean, TJ, really, next week we need all the plumbing done. We need all the mixer valves done. We need all the showers put back together, because we got to still schedule finish by the end of the month. I want the guys coming in glazing all the tubs, you know, the last week of May. That way we can hit June rentals. We can start hitting, just give me a whole floor. You know, you can give me a floor and I give them to the leasing agents we walk through. I don't care if it's the top, the bottom, whichever ones you want, but I need some inventory to rent out for June 1st.
Okay.
So you figure out which ones those are going to be. I mean, overall, vast improvement, but we still got a little ways to go.
There's power in
This here, man. What? The cabinet saying get that other cabinet level up there. Is that on level? Or does it just look like that?
It's not level, and you see the right-hand side is higher than the left.
Yeah. What are they doing? Somebody broke this. Let's see. Still works. This thing's mounted. Real one. Got everything. So we got no electric on, man. It's been too long. Why the hell we can't get electric on? The Tuesday will come in. Wednesday, by next Thursday, we'll have all the countertops off. A new countertops in.
The
new
ones that
sinks
we're
in.
changing, yes.
So we'll be going through. Also, they paint. I see they didn't paint the ceiling yet, but you know, just have them take this stuff out. Whenever they're doing demo,
Yeah.
first thing I do with them is they got to come through, take all that stuff out, because if not, it's going to cause patchwork later. This here has to be moved
I saw
too,
it.
and then you see all the.
Yep, I saw
Okay.
it. That's not even been painted. You want to pull all this coax out? Or you want to just push it in the wall?
Yeah, I'll just push it in, brother.
Okay.
Because if not, we're gonna have tenants here that can't get no pay.
That's where that cable came from.
Just more than one way to do it, I guess.
No, you know what? Go ahead and take it out, man. I'm gonna call the cable. Huh?
Another hole patch.
Gonna what?
Another hole patch.
Yeah, just take it out, brother. Hey guys, so we just got done walking this 48 unit. We got most of the demo done. You know, they're doing a good job, but I gotta talk to the guy that's running the project about number one, the cleanliness. The screws on the floor, gonna tear up my floors. They're gonna have to pay for the floors. They're not gonna like that. I don't like to micromanage my people, just set expectations, and there's something they tore up, they're gonna pay for it. Also, the drywall in there is unacceptable, so we're gonna have there's gonna be a lot of work, man. Make sure your people are doing their stuff right on the front side. We're gonna get it right, but I gotta sit down and give him a schedule. So boom, 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 boom. I gotta make sure all these things happen next week so we can hit our deadline. So I'm gonna help him through whatever he needs help with. I know he was out last week, his toothache and everything, but we're gonna knock this out and just help your contractors out with scheduling, whatever they need help with. I know TJ will get it done, but I wanna sit down and give him some dates and deadlines to hit on certain things. Because right now, I need at least a whole floor of them ready for the first of the month. so that our leasing agents can go out. My partner Matt, he can go out and push the leasing agents. You can't push them if you don't have no inventory. So I got Devontae coming over here too. We got 4 other units that we're gonna go through and get knocked out. And stay tuned. We'll show you what we do to these units. They're gonna look beautiful when we get done. We will have some done by the end of the month, hopefully all of them. But the way that paint's looking, I'm not optimistic. I need at least 6 or 8 though, because we can rent 10, 15 of these a month. So talk to you guys later. Follow us to the next project.
Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Nate Barger on YouTube, and hit the bell, and you'll be notified on any new videos that come out.